kinds of figures. So that's very nice kasi marami tayong options na pagpipilian. Meron tayong maraming manufacturers ng mga toys. Isa na si ZD Toys. Okay? So if you want this, 2,350 only for this set. Punta lang kayo sa Laruanan if you want this figure. Okay? So let's start with the color palette. Color palette niya very nude, very dark brown, leather brown. Tapos merong sections ng silver, some muted blue, and some lighter brown here, and also silver. Meron ding gunmetal dito sa kanyang right leg. Okay, let's start with the head. Very nice head. Ang ganda ng head armor ni Mandalorian. So very shiny. No amount of battle damage or weathering. Hindi gumagawa si ZD Toys ng mga ganong klase mga paint job. Actually, wala pa nga ata ako nakikitang battle damage or weathered na paint job na ginawa ni ZD Toys. Puro siya clean paint, which is very nice kasi ang ganda ng gawa niya dito sa pati yung mga Iron Man armors, pati in-apply nila lahat ng paint techniques dito. So you have different finishes. So you have the shiny metal, yung matte na clothes sa inner parts. Then you have the holster, the belt, the bullets. Meron din siyang gun. Yung holster niya functional. Ganda rin ang sculpt ng pistol niya dito. So that's cool. And also functional siya. Gusto ko yung mga functional na mga accessories. And sa likod meron siyang jetpack or backpack na pwede ka mag-attach ng mga booster effects. Okay? Ito. Ganyan. So if you want Mandalorian na lumilipad or nagta-traverse using this backpack, pwede mo ilagay yan. You also have a cloth na wired pa yung cape niya. Wired cape pa. Sobrang ang ganda ng mga materials na ginamit nila dito. So you have a softer plastic, a hard plastic, cloth, a wired cape. Very cool. Tapos sa head din niya, you have the visor, and some letter T na visor. Very nice sculpt. You have the inner part or sculpted part para ma-emphasize yung cheeks. Tapos you also have the chest plate. Very nice chest plate. Very angular, and then dito rounded yung kanyang shoulder armor. Meron din siyang gauntlet. Actually, flamethrower tong part na to eh. Pwede mong i-attach to. Yan. Yan, this one. So kung gusto mo yung